This Ferrari Purosangue tuned by Mansory is an Italian tribute that may show more disrespect than respect. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Mansory is at it again. And we all know that they love to push boundaries of traditional tuning, as they are doing today with the Pugnator Tricolore. Now, the famous German atelier has rewritten the canons of extreme tuning, and based on the already spectacular Ferrari Purosangue, this ultra-limited version of a true tribute to the Italian flag, well, it's a manifesto of exaggerated taste that characterizes the creations of the preparer. Now, previewed at the prestigious Top Marquee 2025 in Monte Carlo, well, the Purosangue Pugnator Tricolore represents the even more daring evolution of the first Pugnator launched in 2024. Mansory has received criticism for the radical look of its work on the Purosangue and has decided not only to not back down, but to relaunch it with even more of a, well, let's just say, extroverted variant. The mechanical changes are modest but significant, where the Ferrari Purosangue's V12 engine does go from 725 horsepower to 755 horsepower, with that maximum torque increasing to 730 newton meters. But the real focus, however, is on the design, where Mansory has included an extreme body kit, double rear wings, oversized rear diffuser, and 4 central exhaust pipes that certainly do not go unnoticed. Now, the body of this Purosangue is a riot of air intakes, aerodynamic appendages, and carbon fiber finishes with green, white, and red inserts covering every usable surface. The Italian Tricolore, well, it is also repeated in the passenger compartment, dominated by total white and enriched by colored details on the seats, the belts, and the dashboard. And as per Mansory tradition, every reference to Ferrari has been removed. No prancing horse logos, neither on the outside nor on the inside. Now, only 3 examples of this very unique work of art will be produced in the world. And the price, well, it has not been disclosed, but considering approximately, close to $500,000 for the starting price of a regular Purosangue and this artisanal intervention by Mansory, well, you could probably guess that the figures could go well beyond $1 million. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like the Tricolore edition of the Pugnator from the Purosangue? Exterior or interior or both? Or do you want to just throw this whole thing in the trash? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. I appreciate the extra love. Thank you so much. You guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys